Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another video. This is All Things Luxury, and my name is Colleen. Today's video is exciting. I'm excited to bring you today's video because it's a new unboxing, my first Chanel. You guys, I talked about it that we're doing a Nashville trip, and I really wanted to try on a few of the Chanel in their boutique. And I've been watching a couple online. I did my 2025 wish list, which was the Chanel 19, and also the boy bag, the Chanel boy bag. But when I got there, I found the Coco Chanel flap bag, and I just love it. I fell in love with that one. It's a top handle. They had it in the lizard cross handle, and they also had it in just a regular black handle, and I really wanted just a regular black handle. I tried on both. I'm going to show you a couple of pictures when I upload this video of the ones that I try on, which was the Chanel 19. Everyone knows that's the classic Chanel bag, and it's beautiful, but I think I would probably get that as a second or a third. I love the boy bag, so if I'm able, the next one would be the boy bag because I really love that look. I love the silhouette. I love the way it looked. I love the pattern. When I tried it on, I love the odd wear. Some is in white, gold, or just silver, and then gold. But I just love the way the boy bag. It's just on hook, flipped open, and then clip back it. I love that. And like I said, I took pictures of me, tried it on. I couldn't do a video in that boutique. They don't allow videos there, but I was able to take pictures. So I took a couple of pictures with those. Like I said, it's my first video for Chanel. And part of my wish list was to have a Chanel purse. As you guys may know, I talk about the Louis Vuitton Caprice, and I really love the Capucine, not Caprice, the Capucine, and I love that purse. And it's on my wish list. It's on my site, and I would like that as a second bag. I just love the way that one is set. It's a really high quality Louis Vuitton leather, and I would love that. Their Capucine, but I chose to get the Chanel instead when asked which one. The Chanel, because I always wanted a Chanel. Obviously, I really just love the value of it. I love the purse, but their prices is just outrageous. Compared to the boutique, when I went online and went to the boutique, it seems like the boutique price was a little lower. I'm not sure. You guys can let me know. Obviously, like I said, this is my first. I really was excited to just go down to Nashville, go to the boutique, try on, and see what actually felt good. Their sales rep was amazing. I enjoyed her time helping us and just walking, showing us stuff, and giving us the freedom to try on. One of the things that when you go to other high-end luxury purse store, they don't give you an opportunity to really try it on and make up your mind. It's that they're constantly walking around with you, with the purse behind you. Just they don't give you an opportunity to really soak it all in and enjoy that moment. It's almost like a rush of them wanting to make a sale. Now, I understand the urgency of all that, but sometimes it can turn you off a little bit because you really wanted to take that time. It's a luxury store. It's really high-end, especially in Louis Vuitton. You really want to just take that time, please, and just enjoy your moment in the store. A lot of times it will be better, I feel, to get it online because then you don't have that constantly on you, not being able to enjoy that time in the store. While I don't mind you constantly following me, asking me, let me pick it. And I think that when I go to Frontenac Plaza, it's like there's so many associates that they all want to just not giving you a moment to really do enjoy the moment. And that's one of the reasons why when we go there, my husband avoid it like a plague. Excuse me. Just avoid that store. He doesn't want to go in there because he doesn't enjoy. He loves shopping with me and looking at purses and buying purses, but he does not want to enter that place. It's like he's like, no, it's just too much. Um, but when we went to Tennessee, it was an amazing experience, I will say. It was an amazing experience just to be able to try something on and able to just go ask the question, you want me to pull it out so you can try it on? And no, and just let me know what you decide. If you just want to try it on, do some picture. It was an amazing experience in the Chanel boutique in Tennessee. Nashville, I loved it. I enjoy every minute of it. Definitely, if I'm looking to get any more purses, Chanel, I would go through her because my experience was so great, and she was so amazing to work with. So I would definitely work with her again down there. And even if I have to have her ship it, I would definitely do that. She was amazing. So loved it. I love the experience. I want to show you guys. So this is exactly my little box of my Chanel. And like I said, and then everything looks, this is how it looked. I've already opened it and take everything out, but I hold on to the box because I am so, 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 so excited. Okay, so look, this is what it looks like. And it definitely had the two roses on it, and then inside would look like that. But yes, definitely this is what it looks like. And I really and they did pack it up really nicely for me. And like I said, and here is the lady. Here she is. Ah, amazing. Amazing, amazing. I got it with the white gold hardware. This is white gold. I thought it was silver, and Sarah, the sales rep, explained that it's actually white gold. I love the way this is embodied with the leather through it. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And this was a really good selling point for me. Again, it's the top handle, which I love. It has a little pocket back here. There it is. If you guys can see that clearly, the nice little pocket there. And then again, you look, there it is. Again, they had it where the lizard, this was a lizard leather, and I just didn't like it. It's different. It was like almost like a brown, and I didn't like it. It was nice, but not for my first. Again, um, just like that. You can see that I haven't done much. It still has everything in there. It's a double-sided, and then it has the pockets, a double-sided, and then it has the pocket inside. And again, this is a full leather inside, fully leather, which I absolutely appreciate. For this kind of quality and high-end purse, it definitely should be leather inside throughout. And it is quilted. Love it. It's quilted. So I mean, again, this is my first one coming into the Chanel Purse of Luxury, and this is my first, and I am excited to take her out. I am, oh my God, I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I haven't used her yet. The tags are still on. I haven't used her. I just wanted it's so exciting when I it was an amazing experience to try her on, to go down and just enjoy the trip, to go through all of them. I mean, I tried on the Chanel 19, I tried on the boy bag, but ultimately I chose this one. um And again, like I said, the 19 is a classic, and I definitely would love to have the 19 in my collection as I grow my Chanel collection. There's quite a few purses that I would like to add to my collection. The Chanel boy bag and the 19 is one of them, but I decided to start with this one. And like I said, you know, this one is not, this is, you know, again, um it's just for me. I when I had all three in front of me, this one talks to me the most. You go in and you have an idea of what you want. You have the idea of, you know what, this is the bag I'm gonna get. This is the one for me. I want the Chanel 19 or the boy bag. That was my focus. That was my goal when I got there. And like I said, the sale person was incredible. I tried on the 19 and I was back and forth. I tried it on in different colors as well. And I really wanted to start with the black. I really wanted to start with just the classic black because the classic black you can just throw on with anything, I feel. And then I tried on the boy bag. I love the boy bag. I really love the way it fit. But ultimately, I chose to go with this one because this one speaks to me. I fell in love with this one, and this is the one I chose to go with. You guys, if you have this one, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think, how long you have it, as it hold up, you know, is it all that it cracked up to be? Do you regret buying it? You know, just things like that. Just let me know what you think in the comments. I would really appreciate it if you guys let me know what you think. Again, this is, like I said, I'm excited. Like, I can't wait to take her out and sit her down. I don't put my purse on the floor, just so you know. So I will be sitting her down on the table next to me if we go to dinner, wherever we go. She is right there so that they can see her. I mean, I don't think you would hide something so gorgeous, something so beautiful. Why would you hide this? No, you want her to be showed off, and she will. Ladies, she will. I know you guys, there's a lot of you who have a different kind of Chanel. Just drop me a quick note. Let me know. Like I'm saying, welcome me to the family. This is, again, my first. I'm excited. I'm elated. I am just in heaven. Maybe it doesn't show on my face with this big old smile, right? But I want you guys to know I am in heaven. Oh my God. Yes, yes, I'm in heaven. So I love this baby. Just let me know what you think. Like I said, first one, and hope many more to go. I cannot wait for the second and the third. You know what they say. You know, it's like shoes. You have them, but you said, oh my God, this one is so beautiful. So this is what I'm saying is, please welcome me and let me know what you think, and let me share what you have. Let me know how you're liking it if you have this one. Like I said, this is my first. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. It's new. I'm excited. I'm happy doing this. I enjoyed so far. So I thank you for tuning in. I thank you for supporting. Don't forget to hit the notification so you can know when I drop my videos. Like I said, twice a week. And then please subscribe because I need it. We're trying to grow the channel to make it big, and I'm trying to grow it and enjoy it, and I love it. So just subscribe because I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you, and see you next time.